What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, Mangwabe is finally moved from threats to action. As you all know, throughout Uthando Nes'Thembu, Mangwabe was threatening to leave Mseleku and saying, I am going to leave Mseleku. But now the time has come for action. Mangwabe was actually seen with these luggages, these bags, and finally leaving Mseleku when she went to the family trip. And she actually made it very clear that this is my last trip with Mseleku. And what does that mean now to us, the audience, when we analyze? That means that soon after that family trip, Mangwabe is going to be leaving Mseleku. And when season 9 comes, Mangwabe is not going to be there. Mseleku is still going to remain with his 4 wives after the addition of Samke Kwela. So this is Mangwabe, guys. She has finally decided to be independent and leave Mseleku in this polygamous marriage. The bags that Mangwabe had were actually huge and big. This actually shows that she packed everything that she had. Now, where does this leave Mseleku at? Mseleku, you can see, he actually tried, to negotiate with Mangwabe, or even tried to win her love through her son, but it just didn't work. So Mangwabe is gone, guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one.